Hey y'all, so get this. Angie here with a diamond painting unbagging. It's a little different than normal. I was actually contacted by a company called ADiamondPainting. They wanted me to do a review on a diamond blind box. And so I told them that I would be more than glad to do a review. Now, these diamond paintings were sent free of charge, and they picked them out. So what it is it's a blind box random diamond painting. They come in 3 pieces, 5 pieces, and 10 pieces. I will link the website down below, and I will link the actual product down below as well. The shipping was really fast. Customer service was really good. They got back to me, emailing back and forth at a reasonable time. But it is a blind box random diamond painting. Their 3 pieces are on sale right now for $25.99. Their 5-piece diamond painting box is $45.99, and then the 10-piece is on sale for $89.99. So that is not bad for even the 10-piece is not bad for the price. So you're thinking, what, right now, $8.99 a diamond painting? So let's see here. So it says here that their mysterious gift, you can receive diamond paintings of any pattern, which can be cartoon, Christmas animals, birds, cats, dogs, scenery, lighthouses, flowers, love and romantic couples, alphabet, on and on and on. We can't predict, like the buyer can't predict what type of diamond painting is in the package. Let's see here. Diamond painting is our blank box, or they're individually packaged. They're randomly selected. The sizes are randomly selected. So you could get a 30 by 30, 30 by 40, 50 by 100, 50 by 80. So it just on what they send you. Talks about the quality assurance. And they are 5D full drill diamonds. And let's see here. So yeah. So I will link all the information down below. It looks like they're doing the buy 3 get 1 free. They have that kind of promotion going on. They have special shaped drill paintings. They have diamond paintings for kids, full drill. And it looks like it's all just diamond painted related items. So let's jump on in and see what we have. Now, I don't know what we have, and I'm going to move my computer because I was using that to read off the site. I don't know what they have sent to me. All I know is that I cut the bag open so it'd be easier. So it did come packaged like this. I would probably like to see maybe a box, but it just depends on how the diamond paintings look after unfolding and all that. So we'll get into that. But they did come in this. Shipping was pretty fast after, you know, we got through emails and stuff. So, alrighty. So it looks like this would be considered a 5-piece. I have 4 diamond paintings, and then this looks like a diamond painting pen. So this is a cute diamond painting pen, guys. Look at how sparkly. And I love the color. Okay, so, and it is lightweight. So it reminds me of the batons that I used to have as a kid. So I'm always down for a diamond painting pens. And my island must be, my house must be crazy because my pen's rolling on my island. Okay, so the first painting I'm pulling out is a 30 by 40. And you'll definitely see these in a post review because I'm going to do all these diamond paintings are next to do on my list as well. So we see that it is a round. Poured glue. So far the symbols look really clear. Okay, so it says, with God, all things are possible. And it's pretty cool that I got this one because I've wanted this one for some time now, from like when I first started diamond painting, like since 2018. And just never got around to purchasing it because I didn't know what size, but it looks like a 30 by 40 is going to be pretty good. So this has 24 colors. They are letters, numbers, and symbols. Or it's just letters and symbols, yeah. Super clear, really sticky. They have their logo up here, A Diamond Painting. There's the thumbnail. Alrighty. I really like that painting. It comes with a toolkit. This has a boat wax, 3-placer that looks like a 6-placer, maybe, no, 9-placer, and some baggies. But I'll be using that other pen. And then here are the drill. I'm not going to take them out, but they are bagged. And it's bagged 1 through 24. These don't have the DMC codes, but they have the DMC codes on the ledger. But look at those pretty colors. Yeah, I think this is going to turn out beautiful. I will do, again, like I said, I will do a video on when I'm done with the items and do a post review on how I enjoyed it, what I didn't like about it, so on and so forth. Okay, the next one here. Oh, so this one's a square. So far we have a square and a round. Again, poured glue. This one has 24 colors. It is a 30 by 40. I love the colors, very fall-esque. Fallish, however you want to say it. Let me straighten this part down here one more time. While I have it open, the canvas is sticky. This one is letters and symbols, but it's this pretty fall scene. It's got like a creek here. You can see a creek here with the foliage, and there's a bridge with the trees. So, yeah. And there's the thumbnail. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So far, I love that it is clear. Now with square drills, I check to see if there's any popping drills, if they lay flat. So far, the drills look good in the bag. So, again, same toolkit. 3-placer, 9-placer. They come individually bagged again, numbered 1 through 24, DMC codes on the ledger, but here are the colors. So far the drills look good, but you know, we never know until we pour them out. Look at all those fall colors, beautiful. Just beautiful. So we got a round and a square. The third diamond painting looks like it's special. Ooh, it is. Now it does say a 30 by 30. Give or take a couple centimeters on these guys. And again, this is a partial because it is a special. And it's this cute little cottage scene. No. There we go. It's got 9 colors. They're all symbols. Wow. So they have the DMC codes on the side here. That is cute. This is going to be fun to do. I love doing special drills. But there's the thumbnail. It's just a little cottage scene. It looks like it has a little creek right here. So let's check it is really sticky, so. Really cute. Okay, so with this one, it comes with a pin, your plastic tweezers, a square wax and green boat. And then I'll go ahead and I'll take these out. We can look at these here. Oh, some Aurora Borealis. Oh, some ABs. All right, so we have a red AB. Your white. Look at this blue. Now this is more of like they're rounded, they're dome shaped. That's gorgeous. And then your purple AB. These are yellow AB. Trying to get it where you could see some of the shimmer. There you go. Then we have some green rhinestones. Yellow. These are like a brownish grayish, I think, or maybe clear. I can't tell until I take it out. It has that grayish look to it. And then they have these here. Which are these are gold. Yeah. The flat edges are clear, but they're the side you put down, so it's the gold. Those are pretty. This is gonna be fun to do. Alrighty, and then the last one, the last diamond painting is a 30 by 40. Whoops. Oh, it has sayings on it. Again, pour glue. Gosh, look at those colors. I love pinks and purples, so this, oh. And it is sticky. Drill field is super clear. It's 22 colors, and it says dream, love, hope, and believe. I can see that. I don't know if y'all can see that. So we will go and get this done and see if we can see the lettering really good in a 30 by 40, but it has a lot of pinks and purples, and it's got some blues. There's the thumbnail. DMC codes on the side. This one is letters and symbols. Dream, love, hope, believe. With the arrows going through it. And again, super clear drill field. Like I can read it. So. And then this has wax bags. It's got your pink pen, your green boat. It's got a 3-placer and 9-placer. And then here are the colors, guys. So this is round, but look at the purples, pinks. Oh my gosh. And I like that they come individually bagged like that. So you can work out of the bags if you want. You can put them in your drill pots or containers, whatever you use to kit up. But that is it, guys. Again, it's called a DiamondPainting.com. That's the website. I will link it down below. I will link the actual link to the blind box. Again, it comes in 3 pieces, 5 pieces, and 10 pieces, and you get a variety. Like I got 4 diamond paintings. I have 2 rounds, a square, and special. So I will be working on these the next couple of weeks, and then I will do another video, and I'll probably put the pictures in my community post if I'm able to, so you can check that out. But again, so far so good. First impressions, I am liking it so far. It's when I get into it that things might change, but we shall see, we shall see. The customer service was great. They emailed back and forth reasonable time. Shipping, as soon as they got my address and shipped it, shipping took about probably 2 weeks, maybe 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks at the most. It went to my neighbor's house, which is not their fault. It's my postman's fault. He ended up getting the package. But other than that, shipping is pretty fast in my opinion. Again, all the links will be down below, and we'll go from there. Thank you for stopping by and spending a little bit of your day with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified on when I go live or upload new video. And I will see y'all in the next one. Love y'all. Bye.